Hi there. So the first step in this tutorial is to click the link in the description down below to install Java. You're gonna click here, agree and start free download if you have Windows. If you don't have a Windows computer, you're gonna click down here to see all the other versions. If you have a Mac, you're gonna click this link right here. But we have a PC, so we're gonna click the Windows one. You're gonna install it, wait for it to finish loading, click it, yes, and install. I already have Java installed, so I'm just going to skip this step, but if you do not, you're going to follow these steps after you click install. Once you have that done, you can open up your Minecraft launcher. You can type in the Windows key and then just type in Minecraft launcher. You can navigate to wherever you have it downloaded. You're going to open it up. You're going to type in your Microsoft account or your Mojang account, login information. Once you have that done, you can just log in. Once you're here, you're going to click the installation at the top, create a new one, and you're going to put in the version of our server, which will let you know when you join our camps. But for this case, it's going to be version 1.12.2. Just name it version 1.12.2 as well. Game directory doesn't really matter for this step. And then just click create. Now you're going to want to run it, so it creates the necessary files. Give it a moment to set up, install, and then once you get to the main screen, you can just exit out of the game. Alright, the next step is to install Forge. So you're going to go to the second link in our description, which is to download Forge. You're going to open that link up. You're going to find the version of our server, which will also tell you it's going to be the same one from before. So in our case, it's 1.12.2. You're going to click installer in the download recommended section. You're going to skip this little thingy they have here and then just grab the download. Once you have Forge installed and downloaded, you're going to click it on the bottom to run it. Click client, install for client. Wait for it to finish downloading all its files. Can open up Minecraft launcher again. This time you should see the Forge on the bottom. This is what we just installed. You're going to go back into the installation tab, edit this Forge link that's been created, and this is going to be the main way you launch the server for our camp. So we're just going to name it Brickworks Academy here. Version is already correct. The Forge, install it somewhere where you can remember where you installed it. So in my case, I'm just going to put it in this directory. And then just save it. Alright, now if you click the little folder icon, a blank window will pop up. This is where all the files are going to be for this instance of Minecraft. Right now it's empty, but we're going to add in the mods into this folder. So this is a folder I downloaded earlier. It's in my downloads. This is something we'll send you when you join our camp. You're going to grab that mod zip file and you're going to put it in this blank folder. You can put it wherever for now, but I'm just going to put it here so it's all in one place. Now you're just going to launch Minecraft again to get it to install the necessary files, now using Forge. And once it's opened up, you can see that it created a bunch of new folders in this blank window that we had earlier. Alright, now you're just going to open up the zip folder that we sent you earlier. Yours might look a bit different, it might have more folders. We're just going to drag all of the folders into the other window that we had open. These are all folders that you need to be able to join our server. you are going to once again open up the Minecraft launcher. This time should hopefully be the last time, as the mods have been added and it should work now. So you're going to wait for it to add in those mods, wait for it to launch up. Right, now if we go into the mod section, you can see that the mods have been loaded. You can go into the multiplayer tab, allow firewall access if you haven't already. We're going to add a server. We're going to name it Brickworks Academy. You can name it whatever you like. Our server address is something else we'd send you when you join our camp. So I'm just going to type in the right code in our case. And click done. Once you have that set up, it should show up on the server list, and you just click play. And now if everything went well, it should let you in. And that is that. That's how you set up Minecraft the classic way. Thank you.